If you're tired of slow charging and fragile cables that barely last, the Amazon Basics Lightning cable might be exactly what you need. Designed for Apple devices, it promises fast charging speeds and dependable performance at a wallet-friendly price. Let's break down what makes this cable stand out and why it's worth considering for your next purchase. The biggest highlight is its fast charge capability. When paired with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger featuring power delivery, this cable can charge your iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's a huge time saver, especially for busy days when every minute counts. It supports a wide range of Apple models, including iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 11 series, 12 series, and even iPads, making it incredibly versatile. Beyond charging speed, the cable is Apple MFI certified, meaning it has passed Apple's strict standards for quality and compatibility. This certification ensures your device syncs and charges smoothly without unexpected interruptions or error messages. The improved chipset inside the cable guarantees full compatibility with your Apple gadgets, so you don't have to worry about performance hiccups. Data transfer is another area where this cable shines. It supports speeds up to 480 megabits per second, which means you can transfer music, movies, and other files in seconds rather than minutes. Whether you're moving your favorite playlists or backing up important videos, this cable keeps things quick and hassle-free. Durability is a big concern with charging cables, and Amazon Basics addresses this with quality materials and smart design choices. The cable features textured grooves on the connector ends, offering a better grip when plugging or unplugging. This small detail reduces wear and tear, making everyday use more comfortable and less prone to damage. What's inside the box? You get one Amazon Basics Lightning cable backed by a lifetime warranty. That warranty speaks volumes about the brand's confidence in their product's longevity. If the cable ever fails, you can get it replaced without hassle, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Customer feedback from the United States highlights the cable's solid performance. One user mentioned buying several cables from various brands but settling on Amazon Basics because of its reliable quality and price. While durability is comparable to other market options, the overall satisfaction and smooth operation make it a strong contender. The Amazon Basics Lightning cable is ideal for anyone who wants dependable charging and syncing without breaking the bank. It's especially useful for those who own multiple Apple devices across different generations since it supports a broad range of models. The fast charging capability alone can make a noticeable difference in daily routines. If you've struggled with cables that fray or fail after a few months, this option offers a reassuring blend of quality and affordability. The MFI certification removes guesswork, so you know it's fully compatible with your iPhone or iPad. Plus, the lifetime warranty ensures you won't be stuck with a useless cable down the road. Worth a look if you value speed and reliability in your charging accessories. The cable's high-speed data transfer lets you move files quickly, saving time whether you're at home or on the go. And the textured grip design means fewer slips and less frustration during everyday use. The Amazon Basics Lightning cable also fits well for users who want a no-nonsense, straightforward solution. It doesn't come with flashy extras or gimmicks, just solid performance where it counts. For many, that's exactly what makes it a smart buy: practical, dependable, and backed by a trusted brand. If that's you, someone who needs a reliable cable that won't let you down, this is a product worth trying. Its compatibility with a wide range of Apple devices means you can use it across your tech ecosystem without swapping cables constantly. And the fast charging feature keeps your devices powered up quickly, so you stay connected. In summary, the Amazon Basics Lightning cable offers a balanced mix of fast charging, solid build quality, and dependable data transfer. It meets Apple's certification standards, ensuring smooth syncing and charging. The lifetime warranty adds extra value, showing the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. Choosing this cable means fewer worries about compatibility issues or slow charging times. It's a practical upgrade for anyone looking to streamline their charging setup without overspending. Whether for daily use or as a backup cable, it delivers what matters most: speed, durability, and reliability. So, if you want a charging cable that keeps pace with your busy lifestyle and works seamlessly with your Apple devices, the Amazon Basics Lightning cable deserves your attention. Try it when you're ready to experience faster charging and smooth data transfers backed by a lifetime guarantee. Don't settle for cables that wear out quickly or cause frustration with slow charging. This Amazon Basics option combines trusted certification with thoughtful design, making it a solid choice for Apple users who want consistent performance. It's an investment in convenience and peace of mind. When fast charging, durable design, and reliable data syncing matter, this cable checks all the boxes. It's easy to recommend for anyone needing a dependable Lightning cable without the premium price tag. Consider adding it to your tech accessories and enjoy the benefits every day. With the Amazon Basics Lightning cable, you get a hassle-free charging experience that keeps your devices ready to go. Its compatibility with many Apple models, fast charge support, and lifetime warranty provide clear reasons to choose it over generic alternatives. It's a smart, practical solution for everyday tech needs.